Hello everybody. How to create a Bybit account. Let me walk you through this simple process, and I will show you how to create the account using your existing email or a new email address. And also I will show you a few things regarding the security of the account. First of all, let me show you some information about the Bybit. As you might know, the Bybit is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to trade various cryptocurrencies with leverage. The services are not available all over the world, and I will also talk about countries and or regions where these services are not available. First of all, some people might be skeptic about the platform, and I would like to ensure you that the platform is legit. And let's just spend a few seconds checking the platform when it was founded. It was founded in March 2018, so as of recording this video 2024, the platform has been around for more than 5 years, actually 6 years. Let's also take a look at the Google Trends. We see that the term Bybit has been searched over time many times, and the trend goes up. If we take a look on the trend in the past 5 years, it's obvious that people are more and more interested in the Bybit platform. One of the few other indicators checking the legitimacy of the platform is looking at the organic traffic that the platform gets. Let's check the domain overview, search, and the domain gets about 1 million visits per month. That's just organic traffic. In the last 6 months, it says 1 million. The traffic is solid. There are no fluctuations. So how to create a Bybit account? We can do it by clicking on the sign up button over here. You have options to provide your email, password, or you can create an account and sign up with your existing Google account or Apple account. Let's type in the email address, and the password has to be at least 8 characters long. 1 character has to be uppercase, 1 lowercase, and you need to use 1 number as well. If your password complies with the requirements, all 4 points are green, and you can create your account. You can also sign up using the link below. Using my referral code, you can get the welcome bonus. Let's click on the create account, and it asks me to verify the email address. You get your authentication code in your email address that you simply put over here. After adding the verification code, you are directly at the dashboard. You might see a pop-up window asking to deposit. You can simply close the window, and then you will be asked to verify your account using your ID photos, and you will be able to get to the all Bybit products. If you are not familiar with the platform yet, you can skip this step, but what I do recommend is to go to the upper right corner to check your account and security, where you see your security level is low. What is recommended is to do the Google two-factor authentication. You get your verification code to your email address. You can copy the code, paste it over here, and then you have a pop-up window with the QR code. First of all, if you don't have the Google Authenticator app, you can download it, and after that you can open it, scan the QR code, enter the code over here, and you just click on confirm. That way your Google two-factor authentication is set up. So you have just created your Bybit account for free. As I mentioned in the beginning, Bybit does not offer its services all around the world, and there are some restricted countries. What happens if you want to create an account in such a country? Let's say I'm in the United States right now using a VPN. So if I go to bybit.com, the website works. But if I want to sign up, here you are invited to Bybit, but here it says your IP address is from one of Bybit's restricted regions. Please contact the live chat support if you have any requests. So if you are one of those countries that I'm going to mention in a few seconds, you want to get in touch with their support. The list of restricted countries has been updated in October 2023, and it has been valid until today, which is April 11th, 2024. Now let me tell you the list of the countries that are restricted. United States, United Kingdom, mainland China, Singapore, Canada, Cuba, Iran, Uzbekistan, and Russian-controlled, and some of Russian-controlled regions like Crimea, Luhansk Oblast, and Donetsk Oblast, France, Germany, and the last country on the list is Syria. If you live in one of these regions, you might want to get in touch with their support, or you can even click on their help center and get in touch with them over there. So this is how you create the Bybit account. I hope you find this helpful. And if you have questions or concerns, or you want to learn more about the Bybit, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you, have a good one, and bye-bye.